Hello, this is Brad Grunwald. I'm the founder and design engineer for Rotational Safety. Today we put together a video demonstrating a 5 by 1 1/4 inch wheel on a wheelchair application. This is me in a standard wheelchair going down a 5-degree decline that you would find in most facilities. As you can tell, things did not end well, but I managed to walk away with minimal damage. Here we have a comparison video of the video you just saw on the left, and on the right is me in a wheelchair equipped with our rotational safety wheels. As you can see, the journey down was a much safer one, where I was in control of the wheelchair at all times. The wheels are designed to have a free spin at low RPM, along with an external adjustment to where you can adjust when you want the brake to be engaged, at lower RPM or at a higher RPM. We put together a few pictures of other applications in the medical field that this technology could benefit. Check out our website for additional demonstrational videos in various applications. If you would prefer an in-house demonstration of the technology, or you would like additional information, feel free to contact any one of us.